What? Spring's gone too? Oh. Yeah. Here's the state of the X-MAXX. Looks like this bearing came apart at high speed. It's like the third time I think this bearing has come apart. And these are Avid ceramic bearings. They swapped out bearings for us. Can't handle, I guess, the pressure at the speed that we're trying to achieve. So I think it's because it's oil filled. It's not really grease filled, this bearing. But we actually got an upgrade for it because the hub actually snapped. So and then the shock shaft snapped off also. It slid on the roof and all kind of crazy stuff. ESC got touched a little, not too bad. And everything else seems like it's alright. But we've been using these straps to limit because Traxxas for some reason doesn't like to use droop screws on any of their vehicles. Which is retarded. Like every other manufacturer has droop screws. Like when you do anything with Armas, I've got it's my Outcast right there. It has droop screws. You look at the X01, which should have droop screws, and have it. Every other car we have has droop screws. It's just Traxxas. I don't know. They don't like droop screws. Anyways, so we've been using these straps, and these popped off, but I think we're going to end up using just shock limiters inside the shock to have the truck lower instead of using these straps. I didn't like these straps in the first place anyways. So yeah, then, and one of the rims actually broke. I think it's over here. Like one of our one of these primal rims. This right here. There's like one spoke that kind of cracked a little. It's hard to see, I guess. Anyways, one of these spokes, I think it's right here. I think it's a spoke right here. Has a little crack, and then the rings that bolt the tire onto the rim are all bent up. The whole rim was bent up, but as soon as I took the rings off, it kind of went back to its shape. Just good, I guess. And these are the Primal RC drag wheels. Here's the tires. Here's the tire. It's a drag tire that we're using. So that happened, and we were like, all right, I guess we got to get a new one. So we ended up buying a new tire. Actually sold this one. And oh yeah, and these Proline arms, they keep snapping here for some reason. Anytime you crash, they just pull out right there. Like, so easy. Like, we've had a couple pull out already, not even doing anything. They've pulled out. So I think Proline, I think they know there's a problem, they address the problem, and so they're sending out another set of these arms. But in the meantime, we're gonna go back to the stock upper arms, which I have here. And then that's for the body. We ended up getting an upgrade hub from RPM, which, look at that, comes with a larger bearing. So yeah, this is the hub. It's actually a much beefier looking hub, but it comes with a larger bearing. So they know there's an issue with this bearing, so they sent a set of larger bearings, which actually we got another set. So this is the bearing size of the ones that go inside the RPM hub. Daddy. And this is the Avid bearing size. So it's a big size difference. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Dealing with babies over here. Right, Scarlett? Why are you guys fighting?
When she She hurt my feelings.
She hurt your feelings? Oh, okay. Yeah, anyways. So, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, this is going to be an upgraded hub, which should handle a little more abuse. And obviously, these bearings are much bigger. They're going to handle more abuse. But Avid did send us a bearing to replace the one that blew out. But it's costing us much more money because when the bearing blew out, the car flew off the road and hit one of the street signs, and all this happened. So yeah, they sent us a bearing, but there's a multitude of other damage that happened that we have to address. So we're not going to use those bearings anyways, and we're going to use these much larger bearings, so we shouldn't have that problem again, hopefully. So yeah, I'll put the video up of what happened, the crash before this. I think we actually hit, I want to say 80 miles an hour when we crashed, or 70 something, I can't remember, but I'll put it up right before this video, and hopefully I'll have a running video of it when it's repaired, and maybe we'll hit a bigger speed. Thanks.
This is reading, yep, 20 miles an hour it says. 20 miles an hour.
Let's see what happens now. Still wobbling?
You can't tell if you get up speed.
Bring it back here. What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? That's not good. That looked like pieces everywhere. I'm not even sure I got that on video. Shit. Damn wheel flew off. Shh. The spring's gone too? Oh, the shock shaft is busted. Shock shaft, the spring's gone. Damn, shock shafts are shit.
And the shock shaft.
Ooh, the bearing came apart. That's what happened. That's probably what originally happened. Cause what happened? It just came off and just
fucking started doing dumb shit.
I'm gonna go.
Okay. Alright.
What happened?
I'll go find the spring.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.